National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Geary County, Pottawatomie County, southern Riley County, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:51 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Ogden, or 7 miles northeast of Junction City, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Keats, Western Manhattan, St. George, Tuttle Creek Lake, Louisville, Westmoreland, Blaine. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 311 and 317. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare for strong winds as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Stay tuned to weather radio or local media outlets for the latest severe weather information.